Just go, Derek. He'll be running down his leg as he walks in there. Left and then right.
Wait, right?
Yeah, to go to the BP. Or is the BP behind us? That's totally my bad, Derek. Wait, is it actually to the left?
It's to the left, yes.
Hey, Derek.
Hey.
Make like a banana and split, brother.
Oh my god, Brian.
I'm about to put the worst possible gas ever in my bike right now.
Yep, and you owe me, sir.
Hold on, my bike is stuck. It doesn't know what gear it's in. Back here, this is what I'm talking about. Look. Someone just peeled out.
I heard.
Dude. He is like walking on a mission. It's not Ryan Yee.
I know, I'm about to get an angry call from Ryan. Like, where'd you guys go? Where are you here? Where were you like 20 minutes ago?
He's trying.
What?
No, nothing.
Not allowed to be joyful?
Like a banana and split, brother.
Shut up, bro. God.
What, I can't be joyful?
No, not you.
You're such a hater.
I am.
You a hater.
You're the biggest fucking hater.
You a hater.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, please remove card. No way, it's gonna ask me to donate to St. Jude. They're the only ones I'll give money to. I already gave my monthly donation.
Oh, I'm still fully topped off, so you'll get me next time.
I kinda wanna just see if my bike can withstand this fuel without blowing up.
When was the last time you topped off? Wasn't it the Shell? How do you need... This is going to be literally like 0.5 gallons, unless your bike is that thirsty.
Dude, I was ripping down 71.
I know, so was I, but I still only... No way! You used a whole gallon?
I told you, bro, I was ripping.
That's crazy. Dude, you can still see the fuel at the top of my thing.
Nah, dude, I was like, I saw 186 quite a few times.
The Germans are...
The Germans are fuel efficient. I didn't buy this bike to be fuel efficient, brother.
Dude, that dude just looked at you like he got f***ing...
Go f*** yourself. I think I'm gonna move over there. But I kind of like the lighting here, so I don't know.
You want a photo?
No.
Oh, I thought you like posting the stupid, like, yeah, like, post it up like that. Pull up at a gas station with your tinted visor at night.
Know what I'm saying?
You, like, lift it up slowly, look at the camera.
Using my strap kit on my front suspension really quick.
Yeah, strap into that fuck.
Let me compress the front suspension of my bike.
Just trying to think of, like, all the dumb, like, the biker stereotypes.
There's a lot of them.
The gas station photos.
I definitely can fall under some of them.
Like
not
what?
Even gonna lie.
Like the squid, considering you got no gear on. Literally.
And my actual good riding jacket I had, fucking.
It what?
Yeah, the whole back seam of it blew apart.
No way. Ah, here's the call.
Where are you?
Probably there.
We went to BP because Derek was gonna his pants.
Okay. Yeah, when you called, I was literally at the point where I needed to pick the exit, and I couldn't figure out which one, so it added 10 minutes.
I'm sorry, Derek really had this shit and Brian has to leave, so I was like, what the f?
Alright, I'll head over there.
Alright, he sounded pissed.
Who, Ryan G?
Yeah.
Dude, he's just gotta come right down the road.
I'm like, Derek's still in the bathroom. He's still f***ing...
Yeah, dude, Derek is fighting a demon in there right now.
He's on his f***ing 50th wipe.
He's 100. He's got the never-ending wipe. Bro, he's probably sweating, f***ing dying.
Gripping the f***ing side rail.
Yeah, he's holding on.
His shoes are off. He's like gripping the fucking...
His shoes are off the pants. He's butt naked, basically, right now.
The naked shit, bro.
Brutal, man.
He to take off his clothes really quick right before hopping on. Oh my god.
That both his ankles are in his pants right now.
Oh, there he goes. He's out. Oh my god. How was it?
Oh yeah, that was a good one.
What do you say?
Not good.
There wasn't any toilet paper. I had to use my sock.
I had to use my f***ing underwear, bro. It's free balling right now.
Oh, you're an underwear guy? You're not I would do sock first and then underwear.
No, I'm using underwear.
You don't need socks. Like, I don't know. After a bad wipe, you kind of want underwear.
Dude, my sweaty socks in my asshole.
Well, when you put it like that, okay. Like, I'm still sacrificing a sock before underwear. Hey, Derek.
The door came open mid.
No way! No way!
The door just swings open.
No fucking way! Oh, that's horrible. Oh my goodness.
I literally had to get up and
You waddled with your bare ass. He waddled with his bare ass to close the door. Oh my god. That could not be funny.
You gotta like do one quick little wipe to try to like help the situation a little bit, and then fucking waddle over.
Fucking shitty ass just out in the shitty ass just out in the air. Dude, nightmare scenario. It could not have been worse. Could not have been worse. Oh my god.
You just missed one of the greatest conversations ever. Yeah.
Mid grunt, not one. Fucking door just flies
You
open.
had to pinch it off real quick, waddle over.
Oh my god. That
Before
is
it,
so funny.
right before he ends up on the sex offender list, you go.
How are you?
Hey.
Directionally challenged?
Dude, because I don't normally come from that direction.
I didn't know where it was either.
And
71.
I was literally like, the distance from me to that traffic light, and I'm like, oh, and it's like, in 300 feet, and I'm like, yeah.
Worst timing ever. I know, he got on the phone and he was like, hang up, hang up, hang up, hang up.
So yeah, it added like 10 minutes. And then I got stuck at like 4 traffic lights that were the longest lights I've ever sat in my life.
Did you eat yet?
No.
Okay.
I have food at home.
Oh.
Let's feed at home.
Well, you guys want to escort Brian back to his residence?
My humble abode.
Yep.
I'm gonna take this guy 45 minutes away from his house.
Where are you guys trying to ride to then? I don't know. How about 10 minutes from my house so I can just go home?
He suggested escorting me. I wasn't like, yo, take me back to my home.
Well, I figured we all took the time to meet up. Why don't we go ride somewhere? How about Chipotle? Because I'm hungry.
All you fellas live on the west side.
The one that we met at last time.
Yeah, you never been with us when we've been with Ethan. He's got the shaggy hair.
The one we went to last time.
Yeah, shaggy hair.
North
You got
Royalton.
You got a jixer. So did I. Yeah, for real.
Do you say Chipotle in North Royalton?
Yeah. Because that's where we met him last time. Ethan last time.
He's peeling out in the V6 Charger.
Ethan does live in Brunswick, if that makes any difference.
Wait, are you talking about the Chipotle off of 82? You're
How
talking
about-
about the Chipotle off of 82 by Brexville?
No.
I don't even know which one you guys are talking about.
There's one in Royalton. Where would you want to meet him? How about the Strongsville
guys-
one? Strongsville works. I still want to escort him home though. Get a good rip in.
There's 2
I do
installers
not need an escort.
I know you don't, but it's a good rip, and then we just take that road all the way to Strongsville, Royalton Road or whatever.
Oh, that would be a nightmare for you guys though. Going all the way the down 82.
All right, then how about we take you to 77, and we take 77 to Royalton, and then take Royalton to Chipotle.
I mean, that's up to you. That's up to you guys. I'm going home.
I don't want to just fucking go straight there. I don't want to take the quickest way there. Why don't we kind of go around? That way we get a little bit of a ride in, and we beat Ethan at the same time.
That's literally up to you guys.
Let's
This
go
guy
then.
cannot be bothered right now.
I know this
He
guy's not
cannot be
helping
bothered
me.
right now. He
Are
just
you
went-
good? All right,
We started North Royalton, now we're at Strongsville, now we're
Strongsville.
Wait,
Now,
so that
is
makes
it the
no
one about-
sense though, because if you want to go all
Shut
the way
up!
down to
It doesn't
77
matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I want to ride.
one.
Strongsville.
There's 2 in Strongsville.
Oh,
Why don't you just stick with the Royalton one?
Royalton then.
Because that makes the most sense. You can go down 77, go off
This is
82.
not my fault.
I'm just trying to help.
He's so fucking quiet, bro. I
Are
can't
you
hear him.
thinking about the one that's by the get-go? No, that's he's thinking of the one that's further. It's further
In the
down
Oh.
the road.
middle of North Royalton?
Yes, there's one. They built one right next to our house. Yes, this guy. Holy shit, there's no. I will still ride after. I'm not gonna go straight home.
You have to say which one because he's got to tell him.
We went to Royalton last time. Just tell him the one we went to last time. Well, we're gonna take 77. We're gonna go around. That way, he has time to come up from Brunswick and meet us there at the same time.
This guy can.
How fucking long did that take, dude? Jesus Christ.
I just decided to use fewer words because I think that was gonna kill less of my brain cells during the process.
Dude, that was all him.
You should have fucking recorded that. That would have been.
I did record that.
You did?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey.
Xbox, record that. I thought it was gonna be colder out than it is.
Oh, dude, you're lucky you didn't go downtown.
What was
It was
that?
so f***ing cold up there.
What was that for?
You don't even know what I did.
My bike, I love feeling my suspension compressed down.